Hey everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLA. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the system and the features that come with the system. This screen is 12.5 inches. It's very nice. It's fully compatible with the original system, alright? So it also comes with the newest Mercedes-Benz MBUX 2021. This system comes with 12.5 inches high definition screen. The resolution of the screen is 1970 by 720. Okay, it also comes with the newest Android 11. It comes with 4GB of the RAM and 64GB storage memory. You can also upgrade the memory to 6GB to 128GB. This system is fully compatible with the steering wheel control and original command knob here. You can see that you can use the command knob to control the interface. If your car comes with the original camera, this system also fully compatible with the original camera too. So basically, you can. This is the original camera right here. It's fully compatible. Of course, you can. If your car does not come with the original camera, you can also connect the original aftermarket camera to the system as well. Okay, it's fully compatible with the stereo control. Everything is fully compatible with this system. All right, let's start from the navigation first. Okay, this system comes with the offline navigation. It also comes with the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth phone call, Bluetooth music. It also comes with the wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto as well. So it's very nice. Okay. So basically, let's start from the navigation here. So for the navigation, basically you can it also support the it also comes with a couple navigation here. So basically, this is the offline navigation. Okay, you don't need any Wi-Fi to use the navigation. It's built in. Okay, so basically it's very clear. In order to use the navigation, you just need to click on the bottom right corner here, new road, address. Then you can enter the address right here. Okay, and the pull down a little bit on the top, and the home menu is right over there. And then once you connect to the Wi-Fi, you can also go to the Google Map right here. All right, this is the newest version of the Google Map. So it also comes with voice control. With, for example, TD band. Okay, it will bring you to the destination. All right. You also come the offline feature of the Google Map. So basically, you can download the map data from the Google Map to the unit. So next time when you use the Google Map, you don't need to connect to the Wi-Fi. Select your own map right here. And then you can download the map, okay, to the unit. All right, this is called offline map feature. All right. So other than that, you can also use the YouTube, watch the Netflix right here. You can also use the knob to control it. It's very nice. Okay. And other than that, you can also, of course, you can use the YouTube here, and you can also download the movie to the USB, and then you can also play that from the system as well.
Rogue former MI6 agent doesn't play well with others.
As you can see, the resolution is very high, you know, it's very nice. Okay, so basically this one is also coming with the newest interface, Mercedes interface MBUX 2021. As you can see, the interface is slightly different. For example, if you play the music right here, okay, then you will see the background music, the album picture show up in the background. You know, this is the newest version, right? So you can also change the color of the theme, you know. So for example, right now it's the blue color, you can change to purple color to match with your personal preference, all right? So you can also change to blue, red, gray, you know, anything, okay? So it's very nice, okay? It's also, this feature only exists on the newest version of the MBUX, okay? So in order to go back to the original menu, you just need to go back to car info, and then you can see that all the car information is right here. It's fully compatible. This system actually, they go through the original AUX channel. How to produce the sound, you just need to go to AUX right here. Okay, go to audio, go to AUX, and then click on the screen. If your car does not come with the AUX, no problem. You don't need to program it, okay? Because this system already comes with a self-programming feature. You can program the AUX, the auxiliary feature of the original radio, okay? How to do that? You just need to click on the setting right here and go to the factory and enter the password. And then you can go to the vehicle right here, click on the vehicle and then scroll down to the back, and you can see the AUX activate. You will activate the original feature of the original AUX channel of the radio. Okay, so you don't need to bring it to anyone to program it. Okay, so it's very handy and convenient. All right, so basically this one also you can download any of the application to the system as well. We will preload the Spotify, Waze, okay, and YouTube. You can also download it from the Google App Store later, such as the Facebook, Instagram, everything. All right, so it's very straightforward, easy to use. Okay, and this one is very nice. You can see that the interface is very nice. Okay, this one can also show, it will show up the RPM right here. Okay, when you drive the car, you can show the RPM and the speed. Okay, of course you can also change the color here. All right, you can match with the yellow, you know, green, red, you know. It's very nice here. And this system also supports wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Okay, it comes the newest version of the Apple CarPlay. So how to do that? You also support the newest version of the iOS 15, iPhone 13. In order to connect to the wireless Apple CarPlay, you basically bring out your phone, connect to the Bluetooth. Okay, connect to the Bluetooth right here. Okay, enter the password 00. Once you connect, then you can go to the ceiling. You need to grant authorization on the unit, on the cell phone. Wireless Apple CarPlay, they actually use the Bluetooth to pair at the beginning, but once it get paired, you will switch to the Wi-Fi at the background. Okay, as you can see, you need to grant authorization on the cell phone, use CarPlay. And then if your phone is iOS 15, then you need to go to Wi-Fi here. To go to Wi-Fi, you will need to go to Wi-Fi here and then connect this one. Turn off the low data mode, okay? It's very nice here. And then you can also play any music from the phone, you know. And you can see that this is a wireless Apple CarPlay, you know. It's very nice here. You can also use this one to use the knob to control the manual, alright. They also support the split screen here, you know. You can also use this one, and this one also support the Siri, the voice control. Other than that, you can also, for example, you can also check your WhatsApp message, you know, anything, okay. And in order to use the Siri, the voice control, you just need to click on the icon here. What's the temperature today?
The high temperature for today will be 11 degrees, and the low will be 2.
Bring me to the gas station.
Okay, here's what I found.
As you can see, it's very nice, okay, but this one you can also change the background here. Go to setting, wallpaper, then you can change any of the background here for the Apple CarPlay. All right, this is the newest version of the Apple CarPlay. It supports the iPhone 13 and iOS 15. In order to go back to the original menu, you just need to click on car and it will bring you back to the original menu. Okay, this is the new interface. If you want to go back to the original interface NTG menu, then you can just click on the car info. Then you can listen to the radio, check the car information of the car. Okay, it's fully compatible right here. All right, so this system can also be purchased from our website www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.